Hi, I'm Mark Beck, Prime Property Options LLC, and if you've got a Kansas City house that you're needing to sell as is, or your house needs, you need to sell a house that needs repairs, you're probably wondering what an investor is going to look for, what they're going to be concerned with when they come up to your house, and is it even possible to sell it. So I just wanted to give you a quick video of what I look for whenever I go look at a new property. This is a property on Spring Valley Court in Kansas City. I haven't been here before, but just to give you an idea of what I look for. When I come, first thing I look at is the roof, and that's one of the big ticket items that's going to cost a lot if I have to replace it. I look to see if it's got, the shingles are cracked, if they're curling, if it just looks really worn, and just to see whether I need to replace that or not. And then I'll walk around here to take a look at the air conditioning unit, because that's another big ticket item, the heating and air system, your air conditioner, your furnace system. And so I look on the outside condenser unit and see what it kind of shape it's in. This one looks pretty rough shape, with the hole down there at the bottom, so I'd probably figure we have to replace that. And also, while I'm outside, look at the foundation and see if there's any exterior cracks. Don't see a lot on this one, and see if the walls are leaning or seems to be any movement, because that can be a pretty pricey repair for us as well. And so we'll go ahead and head inside. There's really 5 main items that are going to cost a lot if I have to replace them. That's the roof, the heating and air system, if I have to do any foundation work, and the electrical system, and the plumbing system. So actually, we'll see if try to find the stairs. Maybe they're in the garage here. Go down and no, not here. Probably right here, maybe. Okay, there we are. So look at the mechanicals and all down here. There's a kind of tells me we may have some drain problems there. Does not seem to be draining real well. Can't see the walls here, so I can't really tell foundation issues there or not. I do look at as far as the electrical system, see if the box has been updated, and like to see if we've got the wiring, if it's the old braided wiring or a knob and tube wiring. And so this looks to be pretty much updated there. It's an older box, looks like, but I'm not too afraid of that. Let's see if we've got the, if I can find a light in here. I'll turn it on here and see what we got. We'll go ahead and look at the foundation walls. Foundation looks pretty good. Don't see any issues there. Okay, here's the furnace. Sometimes I'll find information on it, repairs that have been done. Pressure switch in 05. And it does look to be an older unit. May not always replace them, but I just have to figure how much life I can get out of it, if I'm going to have to replace it in the next few years or not. Also look at the water heater, see what kind of condition it's in, and if it's an older one. It's not a huge expense there, but something that may need to be replaced. Look at the plumbing lines, and interesting, these almost look like RV plumbing. They do have copper here, but maybe just ran some of that. Yeah, they ran it over here for what? They're going outside, it looks like, with some water supply for something. Not sure what that is, but does have
copper line running there, so can't see a lot of the, as far as the drain system and all, so we'll run back in here. Hopefully I'm not making you dizzy with this video here. There is some mildew lines of some type down there, so some of the one things I'm concerned about within basements is it has water been in here, and has it can you see water lines where it's actually been water standing in here? I don't really see those lines, but I can tell where water has wicked up here, so that tells me there's been something going on there. I'm not sure what. And looking up here, we've just got some more copper plumbing, and I can verify that we've got some more of the newer wiring running through there. So I'm happy to see that. And one last thing, let's see how that. Okay, one last thing is up here, just to kind of verify the foundation. If there's no foundation issues, if you see cracks around door jambs, like for instance, a lot of times you'll see cracks running up through here in the drywall, and that just tells you there's some movement. There doesn't seem to be much here. Like I said, this seems to be a pretty good foundation. So, so again, those are the 5 main things I look for: roof, foundation, HVAC system, your furnace and your air conditioner system, plumbing, and electrical. And those are, we'll just verify those when we come take a look at your house. So if you'd like to have us take a look and see what kind of offer we can make on your house in Kansas City, just give us a call, 816-401-3544. Thanks for watching.